Welcome back, guys. So let's start off where we left off. We're gonna go ahead and edit our profile in order for us to get verified. So in the last portion, we edited our payment details and added our PayPal and agreed to the user agreements and confirmed our email as well. Once you guys put in your edit payment details, Redbubble will send you an email where you'll have to go ahead and go log into your email and confirm that it's you that's using this account and it's not someone else. It's just for verification purposes for Redbubble, which is amazing. Redbubble cares about your security as well. So let's move forward with editing our profile. In terms of editing our profile, we'll have to go ahead and choose an avatar. Once again, we're going to be leveraging Canva for choosing an avatar. We could just go ahead on Canva, search up avatar, and choose from the avatar we like. Personally, I'm going to go ahead and go with this avatar. I feel like this avatar represents me. It has a peace sign to it, and I feel like it resembles me as well in a way. I'll go ahead and download this avatar and leverage it to, put it in my Canva profile. I mean, my Redbubble profile. Sorry about that, guys. So let's go ahead and choose file here. And head over to downloads. We'll go over and upload. That's it, guys. We have successfully uploaded our avatar. And go ahead, our profile. Go ahead into account settings. And if you guys want, you guys can go ahead and also choose a cover image if you guys like that. If not, you can leave it as is. It's not mandatory. But it's a good to have. I'm gonna go ahead and save changes. And that's it, guys.